Good morning everyone. This is Devi from Little Hearts Publications, and today I am going to take class 3 science lesson 5, birds and their nests. As every living thing needs shelter, birds also construct their homes. Those are known as nests. So, where do these birds construct their nest and what materials are used, we are going to learn in today's class. So, birds home, that is nest. There are different kinds of birds and they have different beaks and different claws according to the food they eat and how they construct their nest, and the place where they live also is related to how they construct or build their nest. So, birds build a nest and live in them. Yes. So, not only all birds build a nest. Some few birds stay in the nest which is built by some other birds. Okay? Yes. So, the birds build a nest to lay eggs also. Lay eggs. Okay? Yes. So, here after laying the eggs, this nest. Okay? Nest is to lay eggs, take rest and to protect from enemies. So, which will protect from enemies? Which is protected from enemies? The young ones. It may be eggs or young ones, young bird. Okay, it may be young bird. Yes. So, here we are also going to learn what are the different materials, different kind of material used by different birds to build their nest. Okay, in today's lesson. Yes. So, there are some birds. So, actually what are the main things which birds use are twigs. Okay, to build a nest, the birds use twigs, straws, okay, dried grass and what do we say, some cloth pieces and also some birds use pebbles. So, which birds use pebbles? We'll learn, okay, we'll learn in the class. Or there some birds use stones also. Stones, yes, these are the things. Twig and dried leaves also, dried grass or dried leaves. These are the materials used by the birds. So, these birds after laying their eggs and when the young ones are hatched, they undergo some stages. They stay in the nest for few days, they learn how to fly and they fly away. Afterwards, these birds build a new nest. What is the purpose of building new nest? Again, to lay eggs for the next time. So, to lay the eggs again, the birds build one more new nest. Yes. So, we are going to learn where birds build their nest. Okay? Where birds build their nests. What are the places the birds build their nests? So, birds build in different places. Most of the birds build their nest on branches of trees. And some birds build their nest in broken walls. in broken walls, and some build on the tree trunks. Okay, tree trunks, and some birds build their nest in old buildings. And some birds build nest on the ventilators. Okay, yes, these are the different places. Yes, now we are going to learn nests of sparrows and pigeons. Nests of sparrows and pigeons. So, where do sparrows and pigeons build their nest? So, sparrows and pigeons build their nest in houses and old buildings. Houses and old buildings. Yes, and so what are the materials used by these birds? They use grass, feathers, and leaves. Okay, dried leaves. So, why they use this feathers, grass, and dry leaves? To make the nest cozy. What is meaning of cozy? To keep the nest warm, comfortable, okay, and safe, smooth, or like a cushion. Yes, and next we are going to learn about nest of a weaver bird. So, in the name itself, weaver, what do you understand by weaver? Weavers weave clothes. So, in the same way, this weaver bird weaves its nest. So, see here, they have given here the pigeon's nest and also the sparrow's nest, and here this is the weaver bird's nest. So, it is in a different way. So, this weaver bird builds its nest in artistic manner. So, it weaves. So, what are the materials used by this weaver bird are fine strips of palm and banana. Okay, strips of fine palm and banana leaves and grass leaves, and also it uses grass. So, it weaves its nest very beautifully and different from other birds, and this weaver bird's nest is hanged, or it makes in a way that it's hanging on the trees upside down. Yes, so from a branch of a tree. Yes, so how is the way of this weaver bird? See here, you can see here the bird is sitting here. It goes through this way into the nest, and also it comes out through this way only, and it has a base here inside the nest, or like a platform like this. If this is a nest, okay, somewhere it has a platform here or here, so it can lay eggs on this platform, so which keeps the eggs safe, so that these eggs will not fall down, or they may be safe in the nest. So, this is a different kind of the bird, and it is very interesting. Next we are going to learn about nest of a tailor bird. So, this is a bird which has a different nest again, tailored. So, what does a tailor do? Tailor stitches clothes. So, this bird also uses leaves, and it uses wool or cotton threads to stitch leaves. So you can see the picture which is given in your textbook, page number 47. Look here, 2 leaves are here. It is stitching with the help of its beak 2 leaves by using this thread, wool or cotton thread, okay, and it sieves, okay, it sieves the 2 leaves by using this cotton or wool thread. So after that, in between the 2 leaves, it fills the leaves with the cotton, grass, and again dried leaves or some leaves to keep the nest warm or cozy. Okay, and here this kind of a sieving makes the nest warm and cozy. Okay, next we are going to learn about the birds use other birds' nest. So I already gave you the information that there are some birds which can't build or doesn't build the nest. They stay in the other birds, use other birds nest to lay eggs. For example, this cuckoo bird, quail, so, and honey guide, these are the 2 birds which lay eggs in the nest of crow. In crow's nest, this cuckoo and honey guide lay eggs in this crow nest, and this crow thinks that as their crow babies and the cuckoo and honey guide babies are similar, it feeds their babies and sits on the eggs to make it warm and hatch them in time. So, okay, as they are similar or quite looks same like their babies only. So in this way, some birds use other birds' nest to lay eggs. Yes, and next we are going to learn about nest of woodpecker. Woodpecker. So woodpecker. This bird pecks the wood. Pecks means doing pecking like this. Peck the wood, and it makes a hole in the tree trunks, and it by using it makes a hole in the trenches of the tree. Okay, in the trench of a tree, and it stays in that as its nest. And what does it fills? It fills with the chips of wood. Chips of wood to make it cozy and warm. Yes, and the next one is nest of a bulbul. Okay, bulbul is a bird. It builds its nest in hedges and bushes with dry grass. Okay, hedges. Okay, it makes its nest in the hedges and bushes. So what is the material used here? It uses dry grass to make its nest in the hedges and bushes. So its nest is like a deep cup. Nest is like a deep cup. You can see in the picture which is given here, so that these eggs will not fall down or will not damage from the eggs. Nest is cup-like nest. Yes. And next we are going to learn about nest of a vulture. So what is a vulture? Vulture is a scavenger, means it eats flesh of dead animals. So it lives in the remote areas, means where no people live, or in outskirts of the city, villages or somewhere. So it makes its nest on top of trees, top of the trees. So what are the materials used here? Actually there are no trees or people, so mostly all dried trees only you can see in the outskirts. So it uses only sticks to make its nest. And so you can see here the nest of a vulture. It is looks like a shallow cup like this. Okay, it's like a shallow cup. And next we are going to learn about nest of a penguin. So where do penguins live? Penguins live in cold places, and these are the birds which can't fly. So they make their nest on the ground. On the ground. So on the ground, how can they make their nest? They use stone. They use stones. Stones to make their nest, and also they use small pebbles also. Pebbles and stones to make their nest. Why they use these pebbles and the stones? Because the place where penguins live, it is very cold and no trees grow. No trees grow here for constructing their nest, and they can't fly even. So they build on the ground. So next one is nest of partridges and ducks. Partridges and ducks. So what are partridges and ducks? These birds can't fly. They make their nest on the ground. On the ground. So what are the materials they use to make on the ground? As it is a ground, they dig the soil with the help of their beak, okay, and their feet. Beak and feet, they dig holes in the ground and they make these holes, use these holes as a nest. So how they make them cozy? They use grass and leaves. They fill these holes with grass and leaves to make them cozy and warm. And the next we are going to learn about nest of water bird. Water bird. So if you take some water birds, these water birds make their nest in the water with the help of plants. Okay. So on the water itself they make their nest. On water they use plants. Okay. So with these plants, water plants, they make the nest, and here they tie this nest to the plants which are growing in the water. Tie to the plants. Tie to the plants which grow in the water. So you can see in the picture, page number 50, nest of a water bird. It is on the water and it is tied somewhere else to the water plant so that it will not float from that place. Yes. Next we are going to learn about nest of some other birds. So what are the other birds? Here owl. So where can you see owl? We can see owl in the broken tree trunks or in places where it is very no people live. So in those places this owl makes its nest in the tree trunks. And here parrots also, parrots, owls, hornbills, etc. These all they make their nest only in the tree trunks. You can see the picture. They put some feathers and grass to make their nest cozy here. So you can see this is a house, nest of owl, nest of a parrot here, and nest of hornbill. Okay, and the last one is we are going to learn about caring for the young. So, how do birds care their young ones? Caring for the young. So, how do these birds care their young ones? These birds take care of these babies till they are hatched out of the eggs. So, what do? They sit on the eggs, they keep them warm. So, after these birds are hatched and the baby comes out, the babies are blind, no feathers, okay, no feathers, and they are very weak, they can't move, they can't find their food. So, the parent mother or the parent father feed their babies with food which has more moist in them, so which is very soft. So, and after few days the young babies will be ready to fly. As they get feathers, they are ready to fly, and this parent will teach them how to fly, how to search food and what to eat, how to escape from the enemies, and these all things. Okay. So, until the parent birds protect these young ones from the enemies. So, you can see here a mother baby feeding the chicks with the worms which it brought for the babies. So, with this we completed the lesson, and exercises are given in page number 52, 53 and 54. Worksheet will be sent through WhatsApp. Thank you.